Guys, welcome back to my show. My name is Shah Incas and this is RMP Entertainment YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to react to another video requested by our viewers called Taiwan's COVID-19 response should be a model for the world. Okay, previously we have react to a video by Malaysia, how Malaysia has successfully contained the COVID-19 virus. So I think other countries like Taiwan is also, I think, is doing good if I'm not wrong. So I haven't seen the video how they contain the virus, and but I if I'm not wrong, I heard that they are doing pretty well in containing this COVID-19 virus. So to my Taiwan viewers out there, if you've seen this video, please comment if your country is really doing well as what the video says. Okay, so let's watch this video and react. So let's go, guys.
The US, we got a late start. In Taiwan, they got a head start.
In Taiwan, they have a head start. Oh, okay. South government later early attack.
Before people said ready, set, go, they were already preparing for it. So when people say go, they were running.
Dr. Jason Wong. Well, he's trying to say that Taiwan really begin their COVID-19 prevention measures before all other countries.
Wuhan, before they deplane, they checked their symptoms. So they were very vigilant in detecting possible infections coming in. They activated the National Health Command Center that they had set up after SARS in 2004.
Oh, because of the SARS,
that allows the government basically to
more careful
have interagency coordination. And then they use big data, and they integrated the data set from the National Health Insurance Program with the data set from the Immigration and Customs database. So when a doctor sees a patient, it was said that this patient has been traveling to different countries because they got the immigration data. For example, if you have people coming from Wuhan, where the epicenter, they will ask more questions about if they had fever or cough, and they may order a COVID-19 test. So they integrated the data, they used it for disease detection.
They put inside the mouth? I thought in the nose. Also can, I think. Just 135 cases and just do that. Oh, wow. Not sure now how many cases they have now, right?
Officials will call these travelers under quarantine 2 or 3 times a day to make sure their symptoms didn't get worse.
Okay.
And if they get worse, they will help them to get to the doctor.
Oh, they already have a system in place, guys.
Home, and they will bring them food. If they break quarantine, let's say they decided to go out, the government will go after them. They'll give them a big fine.
Oh, I see.
So more recently, they started to pay people during quarantine. So you're getting paid to stay home, basically.
Some of the countries are also doing that.
So that,
I think
then people wouldn't
do that
worry
first,
about food
earlier,
or housing.
They do it earlier than other countries, I guess.
Government took control of making masks and distribute them because they realized that this is a critical materials for fighting this epidemic.
True. 120 safety protocols. Wow.
So really, that they block a lot of people from coming to the hospitals if they have symptoms.
I see.
And then if they have fever, they are triaged to another place, right, to be taken care of in another place. And so these kind of policies and procedures are ongoing in every single institution. And certainly in public buildings, when you walk in, there's a scanner, and it could tell if you have fever on the computer. That this person has fever, you take the temperature, you can't go into the building. Okay. And so those are the things that they're automating. I mean, their schools are open, kids go to school, and they have their temperature taken, but they go to school.
They got the divider. Wow. 14, yeah. Now I think millions already, right? US got over 2 million confirmed cases.
I think a lot of the public health preparedness is about having the right infrastructure that you could activate during the crisis. And I think we have just been relaxed for the last decade, and certainly in the last few years that there's not been enough attention at both the federal government and some states to really prepare us for this a quick response. The US, we got a late start, so there's a lot of work right now in every single hospital, every single health institution in the country preparing for this. right now, we should take this lesson very seriously because it's going to hit us hard. But hopefully, if everybody could do their part and stay home, the disease spread will get a lot slower, and then we could handle it. We will have a chance.
Yes. Nowadays. Okay, guys. Wow, it's a great video out there. I think Taiwan has done a good job, but is it really true? I need to, because sometimes we see video is, could not be true, could not be true, could be not true. So if I have a Taiwan viewers out there who can reconfirm this, you can just put a comment below whether it's true that your country is doing very well, because I know Malaysians are doing very well too. So I hope Taiwan is also doing very well too as well. So like my country is still struggling, but okay, doing well, but it's struggling, especially with the foreigners. So not sure about you guys, but I feel that Taiwan, because Taiwan is actually quite a small country, right? So it's quite easier to control, and I guess as what the video says, you all have a head start because of the SARS, and they already prepared all this before happening already. I think they already foresee already before even the US did. So now US is really struggling, guys. You can see the stats. US is like now, if I'm not wrong, is standing at 2 million. I think, guys, if you were not wrong, if I would like to take a look at the stats right now, US is right now at standing at around 2 million. If I'm not wrong, it's yes, correct. It's about, let me see, here we go, there you go, yeah, 2,089,825 cases. Oh my god, wow, guys. And the death is like 116,000 death. That's like a war, guys. So like so let me see, Taiwan. So if you go to Taiwan, wow, Taiwan is it's way down. So it's let me see. Wow, Taiwan is way down. So it's I guess it's doing good. Not sure how. Let me see. Taiwan is number 149, with 443 cases and only 7 deaths. Well, it's very good. I mean, it's better than other countries. 149 countries better. In fact, it's ranking number 149. Based on the number of cases, is very good. So I guess it's quite true, the video. So sometimes we have to do some research. Okay, we cannot just believe. So yeah, if I see this research is doing very good, so it's 443 cases and only 7 deaths. Well done, Taiwan. And I'm convinced that at this rate you are still doing very well. See, because other countries is already in the hundreds of thousands, or even maybe 10 over thousands. You haven't even reached haven't even reached 1,000, which is amazing, guys. So well done. And guys, if you have any comments below, you can comment below. If you want to react me to other videos, you can just comment below. Alright, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys. Bye bye.